Hi, I'm Gina Donnelly with ProSmart Realty, the Donnelly Group. Let me introduce you to 2851 East Capricorn Place in Circle G Ranches, Chandler, Arizona. There are certain communities in the valley whose name conjures up exclusivity. In the Southeast Valley, Circle G is one of those communities. With its mature trees, abundance of green, and oversized home sites, it's easy to see why. If you're looking for spaciousness and luxury, then this 5-bedroom, 4.5 bath, 4,400 square foot home located on just under an acre lot is for you. A circular front drive leads to an elegant porte-cochere and entry. Inside you'll find polished stone and hardwood flooring and windows covered in plantation shutters. The home features a formal living room and separate formal dining room. The kitchen is sure to please any chef with its center island, separate breakfast bar, granite countertops, walk-in pantry, and stainless steel appliances including double wall ovens, built-in microwave, and a separate cooktop. There is also a large family room with cozy fireplace. The large master suite boasts its very own fireplace, double walk-in closets, separate shower and step-up jetted tub, double vanities, and separate entrance to the backyard. That is where you'll find your very own private oasis with its large covered patio, refreshing pool with water feature, swim-up bar, and gazebo with built-in barbecue and fireplace and a newly redone putting green. For more information on this home or any other property, please call us at the Donnelly Group at 480-792-9700. Thank you.